Hello everyone, my name is Brett Wilson. I am a two-time childhood cancer survivor. I was diagnosed in 1974 with acute lymphocytic leukemia, and I'd had 5.5 years of chemotherapy and radiation with that particular bout of cancer. Had been in remission for a year and a half, and ended up getting non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. When I graduated from college, I got my master's degree in counseling from Marshall University so I could work with psychosocial issues, and ended up trying to find a place to do that, and ended up in North Carolina. I had worked with a group of folks during an internship there, studying their counseling program, and brought that back to the state of West Virginia. But also in the meantime, I was fortunate enough to be able to be a part of a long-term survivors program, and started learning about the long-term effects that the chemotherapy and radiation could have on children. So I got all kinds of knowledge and some experience in dealing with that. And after I ended up leaving that particular position several years later in 2006, I started trying to provide services for psychosocial issues. And I realized in North Carolina that there were no services there, and I also found out that that was still the case in West Virginia. And so, having been through that and not having had that myself or with my family, because we had to find everything on our own, I got a little frustrated with that. I learned about the patient navigation program Dr. Harold Freeman had provided in Harlem, New York, went and got trained, and came back to West Virginia so that I could bring cancer patient navigation to the area. But I wanted to do something a little different, which is why I pride myself with Walking Miracles in this area, is I want to use cancer survivors to help you. Having had somebody to go through the experience kind of let me ask the questions I needed to ask, not the ones that I had to tiptoe around. And so what we hope to do here is to provide you with the resources and tie you in with other organizations such as Livestrong. I actually am the volunteer rep here for the state of West Virginia, and they have some awesome resources as well that we can tie you into, and some other organizations. So please feel free to look through my site. If you have any questions, I can be reached at walkingmiracles.org. Thank you so much, and have an awesome day.